Hello again from Care Plus Clinic at DHTC. It's been a busy couple of weeks for teaching. Last night we had our first workshop for cabin crew and how to get around problems that you might encounter when you're flying. The event seemed very well received, and so we'll certainly be running others. But if you're interested in wellness talks or setting an event up here at the clinic, please get in touch and we'd be very happy to help. And once again, our services are here and we look forward to welcoming you here at DHTC.